Hi, my name is Steve Forde. I'm the Group Product Manager for Products at Adobe, so responsible for the digital audio and video products. NAB 2016 is a fantastic release. We've got some key features in all of our core products, starting with Premiere Pro. We've introduced the first VR workflow within Premiere, so as you're trying to deliver content within a virtual reality environment, you can actually navigate and understand the editorial process from that point of view. We've also introduced Proxies. So Proxies are coming back. Obviously, native formats are key to Premiere Pro and always will be. But as we've seen 8K, 4K, Ultra HD, HDR, the hardware is very different. So we're adding a proxy workflow that works in the background while you add media to your sequence and allow you to transfer that footage across multiple devices overall. We're also introducing a lot of new key features around the Lumetri color panel, which we introduced last year. So bringing the power for color and light out of SpeedGrade and right into the editorial process within Premiere Pro has been very powerful. And by adding secondaries following the HSL model that's familiar from Lightroom, we've seen a fantastic response already so far. So that color grading process, all right in the editing experience, is something that we've heard more and more from our users. Simplifying the process is a general theme as well. So jumping over to Audition, we're actually seeing a really nice spike in terms of the way editors are using Audition for sound design, sound cleanup. So we're introducing a feature in Audition called the Essential Sound Panel. What that means is that you can, with a simple slider, manipulate things for dialogue, for music beds, and so forth, but still manipulate and change 500 parameters underneath the hood without necessarily having to go that deep. By being able to control it via a simple slider is very powerful. At the same time, the workflow between Premiere Pro and Audition gets extended because Audition now supports Adobe Media Encoder. So before you'd have to basically start in Premiere Pro, go to Audition, bring it back into Premiere Pro, now you can go direct out, so without having to flatten and so forth. So those are two really powerful workflows between the editing and audio experience. Jumping over to After Effects, we've been really focused on performance and quality. So we've introduced the GPU. Core tenet of Premiere Pro has always been how we've used the GPU, and now we're bringing that to After Effects. We've got several effects. The Lumetri color experience is also coming into After Effects, and we focused on a playback engine that leveraged the GPU to give a more seamless performant workflow. Jumping into also with After Effects, we've been really pleased with a product called Character Animator, and that's jumping into its preview 4. We've seen a dramatic use in terms of what people are experimenting with performance-based animation. So instead of the traditional model of 2D animation where using keyframes in After Effects, you can leverage the creation of a puppet from Illustrator or Photoshop and then be able to do that right within performance capture in Character Animator using, say, a web camera and your face. So we're seeing some dramatic use of that and some really creative things, especially within live broadcast. So we're really excited about that. Overall, it's been a fantastic year. We've seen more feature films being edited on Premiere Pro. We've seen the entire Creative Cloud experience coming across the board. And those are just a few key features that we're demonstrating here at NAB. So this is our reveal at NAB. Obviously, this is for the video and audio products. Creative Cloud is an experience right across the board. And this is just the video and audio side. So generally what happens when we bring up big features, we do so across the board, and that's where you'll see these updates coming later this year. Check out more, go to adobe.com.